Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you already didn't. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace all of the interior light bulbs on your Alfa Romeo GT. I'm also going to list the bulb types, so keep in mind that you got that as well. To do this job properly, I'm going to use a mid-size Phillips screwdriver, the mid-size flathead screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to start with the paddle light. The cover is held in by one Phillips screw, so I'm going to use my Phillips screwdriver to undo it. Now you can remove the cover. Start from the right side. As you can see, there is one clip on the left side which holds it in place. Now when it comes to the bulb, here it is, and it's a W5 watt bulb. Now to remove it, all you gotta do is pull it out. Here's the better look of the bulb. And here's the bulb housing. As you can see right here, it looks crooked and it's out of the place, so when you try to put the bulb back, make sure you hold the housing in place with a screwdriver. If you push it all the way in, you have to take the door panel apart to put it back in its place. I'm gonna move on to the boot light. To remove it, I'm gonna use my mid-size flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna put it back right here on the right side and pull out the light housing. As you can see right here, it's held in place with this plastic clip right here and with this plastic notch on the other side. Now to remove the bulb, all you gotta do is press on this little metal piece and pull the bulb out, just like this. Now it's just as easy to put it back. Place the one side inside this hole right here and push the other side in. Now again, place the notches into the right spot and push the light in. Next we got the courtesy light. I'm gonna use my mid-size flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna place it right here and push it down. You can see that it's held in by these two metal clips. Now to undo the connector, press on this little tab right here and pull it out. To get to the bulbs, take your flathead screwdriver, push these two tabs up, and there are the bulbs right there. Now to remove them, all you gotta do is pull them out. Now again, they're just as easy to put back in. All you gotta do is push them in. The one on the other side is removed in the same way as well. Moving on to the rear roof light, start from the right side and pull it out. You can see it's held in place with this metal clip right here, and on the other side you got this plastic notch. Now again, to remove this bulb, all you gotta do is pull it out. Here's the better look of it. Now to put it back, again, all you gotta do is push it in. Now when putting back the light, place the notch in first and push back in the other side, just like this. Now to remove the mirror bulb, use your flathead screwdriver and remove the whole thing out, just like this. You got 4 clips, actually 5 clips all around. To gain access to the bulb, we have to take off this white piece. You got 2 clips right here. Just push them down and pull on the assembly, and here's the bulb right here. To remove it, all you gotta do is pull it out. And lastly, we got the glove box light. Here it is right here. I'm gonna use my mid-size screwdriver to push it out from the right side. To undo this connector, use your small flathead screwdriver to push in this little safety pin, and now you can undo the connector. To get to the bulb, now press it in with both fingers right here on the right side. And here's the bulb. Now to remove it, all you gotta do is pull it out. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit a like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfa.